Greetings and hallucinations, ladies and lads. I am Chancellor of the harmonious frequencies of the mighty Empire of Onion, and this is While True, Learn. Oh man, my mouth just decided to stop doing its thing there for a second. My bad. Basic machine learning. We were gonna start a startup with Gamazon, right? With Jeff. So we gotta figure this one out. We're gonna have to share the load. Definitely. We have up to 50 nodes that we can put in here. Which makes me think we may need a bit more space. Let's zoom out a little bit. And I mean all the way. All the way. Okay, so all of the blues can go in here, right? We've got green squares only down here. This is our most limited item. See, green squares are also welcome up here, though, which is interesting. See, red and green triangles down here. We've got red circles and squares, green circles and squares up here. Very interesting. Okay, let's bring out a couple more balancers in preparation, because I feel like this is going to be a pretty big build here. We're going to need this to be spread out over several decision trees and stuff. Okay. We don't have any other items here. I was kind of hoping we had... Oh, this is the one that I was hoping we had. Okay. Let me try another balancer here. We'll bring this down. Then let me think about this. We can have red and green triangles. We can have green squares down here. Not sure if the sifter or the colors should go first. Let's try the colors, because they're faster, right? And then the sifter goes last because it's slow. Let's see, red and green. This is really stumping my brain right now. Let's see. You know, if we come up here with the red and blue, or even up here. Let's start with the top up here. Hey Alex, how's it going? Like button click, coding time. That's right. Okay, so obviously we're going to send blue down here, no matter what. And in fact, from this position, it could almost go down there, but we need to sort green out from it. Because it's going to be sending red and green and blue and green on the same output. So we're going to want this, and have green up here. Connect this, then blue can just go straight in. That's fine, that's done. Then we're gonna want to do this here and say triangles. Triangles are gonna go down here. We're gonna need another one doing the exact same thing. And triangles are gonna go down here. Red, green, everything else is going to go here and here. Okay, so that bit is done. So we've got red and green triangles going where they go. We've got blue everything going where it's supposed to go. We've got the circles and the squares up top. We need some green squares down at the bottom. I'm sorry if you can hear the swallow sounds. I don't know why they were so loud right there. Let's copy and paste this right below itself. Like this. So we get that going at 2 times speed, basically. And that part is sorted. Okay. Now down here it's a little bit more complicated. And we're gonna maybe need to send some stuff from down here up here, because I don't want to really waste the circles and squares that come in, right? We don't even have a trash can, so we don't have the choice to waste them. Let's see here. So these are getting everything. Okay, so already we can put this in. Again, I think I want reds on the bottom though, and blue on top. We'll drop this one in as well, because of course we need to separate the greens from the blues. Okay, now all of the blue can just go in here. That's fine. And we don't need any blue down here, so that separating them out is essential. We need this connector down here too if we have a balancer down here. Which, let's just delete that. Hang on. We'll highlight these and copy and paste them. Because if we have another balancer down here, we're going to need these. And I feel like that may be the case. Tell me that doesn't select those. Okay. Alright, but for the red and green, what we want is... Let's see, down here with the greens, we could do squares only. So this is only green squares. We could put here. And then the other green items can go up here. Right here, we can have triangles. Because this is going to be sifting out red and green. So triangles will go here. Everything else, we have to separate out. Yeah, everything else we're gonna have to split up down here. Okay, and I still have this middle one to deal with as well. We probably ought to do that before I get too crazy at the bottom. Or if I get this sorted, we may just copy it and paste it up here. Okay, yeah, so red and green triangles up here. We're gonna need red and green. This is not triangles. So this is going to go up there. This will go up here. Yeah, squares, that's fine. That's fine. And then for green, else, that's going to want to come up here too. Man, we've got a lot of stuff on the output up here. We could add a triangle sifter and send, well, no, that's just green over here. So, what did I do here? What are the outputs here? Yeah, squares go down there, and this is going up there. Yeah, because it's just green. Circles and, triangles. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Squares here. We're gonna want, we are going to have another sifter here saying triangles. And that's going to come down here. And then this is going to send circles up here. So that has to happen. Okay. Alright, yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh, I can't shift-click one of them. I knew it. How low can I go to get that one and not that? Okay. Wait, no, we had blue coming out to here. This is supposed to be red. Right here. There we go. And then, let's see, green. Let's see what happens. This is ugly, I know. But, we gotta do it some kind of way. These guys are getting a little overloaded. We're at 100% accuracy so far. These guys are getting overloaded. We're at 24 of 50, so we could double this one more time. There's just hardly any room. It would be very cramped. Dancing to the music? Heck yeah, Alex. If we double this one more time, it'll relieve some of the load on these earlier nodes. Alright, so let's cram these in as tight as they could be. these up over here. Okay. Yeah, they are gonna have to overlap like this. Okay. Another couple of balancers. Okay, so that's done. Let's get all of these as compacted as we can. Just so all the nodes can fit in here. Hey, Norm Slater. Looks like a great phone game, but is it worth $5? It's kind of limited in its scope. Like the replayability value is pretty low, because once you beat it, you know, I mean, you could go in and try to make sure you gold starred everything, got a gold medal on everything. I would say it's worth it just for the experience, but that's my personal opinion. Not everybody would agree with that, you know. I think it's worth it. It's hard to take my opinion on it though, because I got it for free. So take it however you will. Okay. Let's try to line this up a little. It's gonna jump up, yeah. Alright, so I need to make sure that I can get the other balancer in there connected properly. Actually, where the heck did the other parts go? Because I have to hook up this balancer to 2 more. Hang on. Did I get these in there? I did. Okay, so those are the ones. Wait, how is this one connected? To the blue-green? That must be backwards. How did I connect 2 on there anyway? I didn't think that was possible. Okay, yeah. Now it's got 1 input. Okay, now it should be copied. We're gonna have to move this back a little, I think. Okay, we'll bring another balancer in. We're gonna need 2 of these, aren't we? This is pretty messy, but we got to do this to spread out the load. Okay, now I could cram them in. I don't want to select all that. Okay, let's see what happens. That's a lot of code. It is, yeah. This is the biggest one we've done. We're at 49 of 50 as well, nodes. The load is much better balanced though, now. I think this is the most complex one that we've done so far. It's so weird, too, because it feels like there's a ton more going through the top than there is through the bottom, but it should be equal. You just can't see the lines between these earlier nodes. Yeah, all the information is going... Oh, why aren't we at 100% here? We're sending triangles down here somewhere? from somewhere? Who's sending triangles to me? Because they should be hooked up to this one instead. Oh, here it is. And there's this one too. Okay, try that again. We're trying to work for Gamazon. Isn't this one supposed to be... Where's this one going? Is this one not hooked up? Where is this hooked up to? Nothing. Yeah. So now it has an output. It's in the wrong spot though. Triangles go right here. Okay, so we got triangles there. Triangles from back there. Yeah, because all the triangles come down here. Except for the blue ones. But we have blue separated out to all go here. Alright, one more test run, and then we'll release it. Hey, Taoist, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, indeed. I was just saying a second ago, this is one of the more complicated ones that we've had to do. It's working, though. The triangles up here are getting a little bit overloaded, but... for the most part, it's working pretty well. It's a little slow in the middle, but coming out, you can see all the data flying around everywhere. Yeah, some of these seem to be backing up. I don't know why these triangles aren't backing up. Because it should be pretty equivalent code between the two. All the triangles got to go here, except for the blue ones. And I figured with, what, 6 of these, they would be able to split off evenly. But it looks like only half of them are overloading, too. Oh no. This bottom one is overloaded now. Because of triangles. What the heck, triangles? Well, so long as... oh, wait a second. We didn't have 100% efficacy up here either. I was watching the data and I wasn't watching the accuracy. Hey, Dunson, how's it going? It's complex, it is. Yeah, very much. What are we... oh, we're sending green squares up here from somewhere. What the heck? Where are we getting green squares from? Can I zoom in and out while it's testing? I can. Okay. So I can see which line they're coming in on. We're already at 3 times speed. That's as fast as we can go. His PC could run the games with the best graphics, but exploded with the Wild True game. That's right. That's right. Okay, green square, yes. Red square. That's all working. Where did those green squares come from? And now we're getting something wrong down here, too. Oh, I saw a square. Yeah, okay. There's a line there somewhere. Square, square, square. Okay, this top line right here. What is that connected to? Why is that sending squares? Why is this getting green items? Oh, because that's sending red and green. Okay, this was supposed to be hooked up to another decision thing, right? I screwed that up. I skipped a step. We don't have enough nodes for that, though. Oh, dang it. Because I could only fit one more node. I don't think we have enough room. See, if I brought this in, it's red and green. No, that's not gonna work. Oh no. I ruined it. We can't do it this way. Let's save that one and we'll start over in a new one. Okay. So I'll have a balancer. And two more. Oh, I don't know how I missed that. It's my first. This is my first run for today. This is my warm-up one. God, that was a bad idea from the start. I'm gonna get some more coffee right quick. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay. We're back. Alright, let's try this again. So, red and blue. That's going to send out greens. But this is also going to send out green. And we got to separate the reds from the greens. Alright, so let's do blue and green. Let's get these connected before it gets too jumbled. And all of the blue is going to go here. We know that already. Okay. So now we've got red. I feel like we run this through a sifter first. Because we want all of the red and green triangles to come down here. So we know that for sure. Everything else is going to be red and green, so now we need the decision tree for red and green. Red goes up here, green comes down here. Okay, so now we should be sorted. This should be correct. What am I missing? the greens coming out. Okay, so once again we need this. But with the greens here. No, no, no. We actually don't need this one. We just need the scepter. Because this is only green coming through. So yeah, triangles. Come down here. Everything else goes up. This is green coming through. Goes right here. Okay. So we got green circles and squares, red circles and squares. Right, everything red comes up here. We got triangles, red and green coming down here. Green triangles coming down here. So all that is sorted. Use the force? I'm trying. I'm doing my best. Okay, so I feel like this is managed, right? And I really, I'd like another one of these plugged into this splitter here, the balancer. Okay, so that should be this done. Let's move this over and up a little bit. If we need to, we can zoom in on the connections and stuff. I could split them out just a little bit to get a slightly better view here of where things are coming from. The lines really get complicated, but it'll be alright. There we go. Okay, so now we gotta sort out the bottom area here. Which is only slightly more complicated. Alright, so we want to start out with the colors. And we'll swap these out again. Red on the bottom. And we'll get green on the bottom on this one. And blue. Make sure these are connected. Okay. So blue can go anywhere at once. Blue just goes right here. Done. And then with green, we want to sift out squares. It should be straight green squares. And then we'll put the no, because that's gonna have this is also gonna have circles and triangles in it. So squares can go there. And then we do triangles go here. Should just be circles after that. They could come up here. Alright, so a few more steps in the other one. And now we got to deal with red. We want the triangles to come down here, everything else to go up there. But we're still getting green in here also. So we'll bring out green. Can we not hook these up like double? That's what I thought I saw. Yeah. I didn't realize that was possible. I can hook up two of these to the same node. This is kind of making me rethink this top part. Let's do it like this first and we'll see, because I feel like this is going to get overloaded with two inputs. We'll see how it goes. Oh, what were we doing with else here? Because we can't have... Hang on. This is green squares? So this should be going down here. And this should be plugged into this. Yeah. I had that confused somehow again. Okay, so that was green coming up here. We've got circles, squares, and triangles coming through here. So all that we want is triangles. Going here. And then everything else comes up here for the red. Okay. So if we select this, paste it, what do we got? 25 of 50? So if we double this, we're not going to be able to put balancers in. Which is why I'm trying to rethink how we do it, because we're definitely going to need to split the load out a couple more times. Because these guys are going to get overloaded really quickly. Let's check the accuracy, though. See if I did it correctly. Surprisingly, these aren't getting overloaded as fast as I thought they would. These are. These early sifters. Yeah, and we are at 100% accuracy across the board. Okay, let me try this another way then. Bring in 3 balancers here. Again. Because we know we're going to need at least this many, if not even more. In fact, let's go ahead and start out. Bring these back a little bit. Let's start out with as many balancers as I think we need. So we're gonna need to do it this many times. Okay, let me think about this though. We still need the color decision trees coming out. Let's start with the top one. So red and blue, we're gonna need blue and green. Wrong way, my bad. Green and blue. Okay. Now I feel like green and red should go into a balancer here. How is that any different than just hooking them both up to a sifter? Trying to think of a way to lighten the load on the sifters, but it's difficult. I mean, it would be crazy to have a balancer for each one, right? Are we zoomed out all the way? We are. And then have 4 sifters hooked up here? Trying to sift out the triangles. Hey. Nope. Just wanted to select it. Okay, so the triangles are all coming down here. So maybe this actually means that we don't need as many balancers at the start. That could be the case. We'll have them there for now, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so the bottom 2 are green. The top 2 are red. Okay. So that's this part done. Using magic to give me all the gold? Heck yeah. One of these days we're gonna win this, this part. So what if we just delete this guy and, just hook this up like this? Let's try to do this. We'll see what happens. Okay, the triangles are really packed in there. And if we were to copy, And paste this madness. We can hook this up here. Oh, sorry about that, the jet sound. Can't do anything about that. See where it pops at. Okay, pretty much right where it was. I was kind of hoping that we could scrunch this up. I may have to select this bottom half and just push it up. But we'll start at the very bottom for this bit. Okay, so we need the tree again. Red versus blue, and I want to switch them because the blue all goes into the middle. Okay. Blue. Green. Hook those up. Blue just goes to the middle. With all of its madness. Okay. Now, do we want the crazy balancers? We need to put the green squares in here. The circles have to go up here. And the triangles have to go here. So we have to have 2 sifters for this one. For the green. With the red, we only need the 1. We put triangles in here and everything else goes up here. I feel like we need a balancer for that. But I don't know how many triangles are really coming in here from red. Triangles go here. Everything else goes up here. We'll just copy and paste this. I've never really messed around with balancers on the inside of the code very much, so this is pretty new for me. Let's select these 3 and move them back a little bit. Give the green a little bit of room. In fact, we may need to move all of this back a little bit. Because green is going to be complicated. Send the circles out first. Now let's do triangles. Because that just goes straight ahead and then the squares will go down. We're at 26 at 50. So now we want to... I believe this is correct right now. Bring this down. Okay, it's a little mixed in with the other one, but I can't lift the other one up either, so. Let's test. Let's see what happens. See if I did it right. I feel like the first decision trees are going to get overloaded, though, pretty quickly. Yeah, they are overloading. We're at 100%. Oh, no. Something's getting sent up here. There's green squares coming up here from somewhere again. I hooked one of these up backwards, didn't I? Green is coming into here. That circles. Where'd I put the output? No, that's correct. Oh, the reds again. The reds again. No? Yes. Because I didn't separate out the red and the green on the bottom one. God dang it. That's the second time I've done this. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna have to delete that guy. Okay, till I can get this set up correctly. So we just have to put another no, that's not gonna work either. I can't just put another decision tree in here. Or maybe I can. Let's put this here, and then we'll just put green up here, like that. So it'll run through the same green as this one is. Okay. So we just needed the one item. Maybe that'll work. The first decision trees still get overloaded, though, which is the big problem. I'd like to be able to balance them out more, but we can't. We don't have enough nodes. We're still getting stuff up here that... How are these sending out green also? Oh, from right here. God dang it. Okay, and then greens can just go where the greens go. And we're gonna have to, well, let's just, I don't know why I forget about copying and pasting. And I need the red output. Yeah. Okay. This should be accurate. 100% so far, but it is getting overloaded in this first set of trees here. Okay. You know what I'm thinking? Can we split this out? No. One output per. Okay. So we can input. We've got more inputs into these items than we had before, but we can't output more. Okay, so this is... Wait a second. We were on this one, weren't we? Let me see. Alright, let's check this one again. I can't remember if this one had accuracy issues. So if it does, we're gonna have to really get in there and take a look. I think it did, didn't it? Yeah, it's sending green circles up here. From somewhere. And squares. Circles and squares are coming up here from green. Did I just hook that up completely wrong? See, red is coming to this top one, and that's triangles, else. Okay, green is going into this one. There should be triangles down there, and there. See, this is coming from red. I'd like to know which one this is. Oh, this is inputting into this one. I'll put down there. Yeah, triangles. Okay. Then, so, where's the input from this one? This is red also. Triangles down, that up. This one's green. It's going in correctly. This one's coming from red. And it's going in right. Oh, because I needed the second color decision tree off of red. I remember. Okay. That I never got. Okay, so this one really is toast. It's unacceptable. It doesn't work. Let's run this one again. We're only at 25 of 50 nodes on this, so there's something that we could do. I think we have the red-green problem again. It looks like I might have fixed it. But this one gets overloaded early. Yeah, and the sifters are overloaded also. These sifters are about to get overloaded. This is 37 of 50. We're using balancers on the inside to try to shear out what we can. I had a different idea. Okay, so we would need more balancers. Let me see if I can do this here. And then this will go in here. We'll just have another decision tree thing going here, and we'll use this to split it, since we can have more inputs. Right, so we don't need a whole nother row of stuff. We just need one more decision tree. This will probably move the overloading to the next decision tree, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, this is getting real cramped. Let me tell you. I need to switch the colors, don't I? I got them wrong on the top one. The top two, I mean. The green. And green. Oh, wrong thing. I was trying to scroll up. That's not how you do it. How do I move it? Okay. No, that's right. Yeah, it's red and blue, red and blue. Okay. So on the bottom is the one that's swapped. But so we bring in a balancer here. Move it back a little. Let's copy and paste this. Yeah, and it's got the same connections as well. This guy is going to need to connect to this, there, and there. Let's see how this goes. So now we're basically just doubling that first set of processing. So we can move it along a little bit faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nothing's overloading. Ah, I think I did it. Man, it feels good to be a gangster. We do have a couple of sifters that are overloading. That I could do the same thing to. Just have two sifters. No, that wouldn't work. I would need another balancer in there too. Okay. Nope. It's possible to fix that though. Pull these forward. Okay. We've got Oh, we've got 2 inputs coming in already. What? No, no, no. I thought I clicked just on this one. Okay. What? It did it again. Look, do you not see? Only one node is copied. Is selected, I mean. Why is it spitting out a balancer? That's not what I have clicked on. This one. Ah, heck with it. Let me just pull out a sifter. I wanted it to already have its connections out. Because where... Oh, this one's going into here as well. Up to the top. And the input is from the greens? Wait a second. Why is this connection here? Isn't that from the blue? No. It's from this green. Right here. Okay. So this green and this green. It's just a regular circle sifter. And this green. Oh, we know its output can only go to one place, can't it? So we would have to have a balancer. That's why I moved it over in the first place. Okay. But there's really no need for a balancer if I do it like that. Because I could just put this green one up here and this green one down here. I don't even need a balancer. I just needed another sifter. Okay, so the circles go up here. Else goes into a triangle. Sifter, which is this one, right? Yeah. So let's just bring this one into the same one. This one might get overloaded now, but I don't think so. And that goes to squares. Okay, and then this circle one underneath here is the other one that's being overloaded. Let's drag this out on top of it. And hopefully we can access the things. Yeah. So this green one we just put into the new sifter. Circles go up here. And else should be into the triangles. Right here. Okay. So we just added a little bit to keep it from getting overloaded so fast. And we're still under our limit so far. These were kind of stacked on top of each other, so I hope I got it accurate. Yeah, these are filling up a little bit, but they're not overloading like they were before. Oh wow, this one's overloaded like heck. And this is less than 100%. It's getting green circles. How did I screw this up? How did I screw this up? This is not attached to anything. And neither is this. What are the outputs of this? Okay, so this one wants red. That could be, yeah, red triangles, red, red. So this balancer is hooked up for red. I bet the green one is supposed to go down here. here. Do we have another red that's supposed to go somewhere? It's coming up here? Okay. I'm not sure how that got weirdly connected. But this should do it here. Overloaded with love for me. Oh my gosh, Taoist. That's so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, now we should be doing it. Are we doing it? I was wondering why the heck this was so overloaded. I wanted to tick through all 100 and see what the results are. Okay, yeah, these circles are still piling up pretty good, even though we added those other 2 sifters. And it only has 1 input, so it just happens to be getting more information than the other ones do. Even though the balancers are supposed to split the load evenly. I don't understand why it's getting more information. Okay, so we fed 100 items through. Nothing has quite overloaded yet. This one's close, but nothing is quite overloaded. And we're at 100% accuracy on everything. This is it. This is it. We did it. Alex EXE has stopped working. Please stay by. I don't blame you. I can't believe I picked this as the first problem that I did today. Ugh. Kotfotmu.exe is overloaded. Let me tell you. This is crazy. But it's for Gamazon, so. Old Jeff ought to be proud. Look at it. It's beautiful. Okay, the circle's finally overloaded. But just barely, and then they tick back down. They really should not be overloading at all. And that kind of bothers me. Let's make sure that's selected so I don't screw it up. Yeah, this one should be no different from this one, because it should be split evenly from the start. It's just for some random reason getting more information through this channel than it is through here. I guess it's just RNG. I don't know. But this is the one that we're going for. Let's save. And we'll release this one. We're gonna launch it. We only invested like 500 bucks in this. What's in our inbox? I thought it said we have new messages. Liar! Negative 3,000? Negative 7,000? We're losing so much money. There's 2,000 dissatisfied customers. What happened? It can't be, right? It runs perfectly. These people are just annoying. It runs perfectly. System restarting? There you go. How are we just going to lose a ton of money to this startup? Yeah, now this top circle one is the one that's overloading. But they're not overloaded. It runs through almost the entire 100 before it even starts to get overloaded. We didn't even patch it. I'm not bothered. It's got to eventually right itself. It's got to. Let's go in for accuracy. Need harder ML job. Level up, maybe. Hi, friends, it's me again. Hellraiser. Thanks for those jobs. I can now afford a meal almost daily. But I need a kick-butt video card to proceed with my task. Or go need more monies. Am I ready for a more hardcore job, maybe? Low coders grow up so fast. No problemo, my duderino. I'll send some more contracts your way with bigger data, too. Beware, in these tasks, you're allowed to make some mistakes, but they're way more tricky to crack. Okay. How so? This is real-life data science for you. Corrupted data, incorrect data, useless data. When it comes to big numbers, it's not about being 100% correct, it's about getting the job done. Okay. We only need 50% accuracy, so you know what you gotta do. Red, green. We just do it straight like this. No problem. Boom. Gold start. Easy. Oh my god. 20,000 bucks in the hole? We lost all of our money. That's crazy. I thought Gamazon was going to be a huge success. We only invested 500 bucks in it, so no big deal, but that's crazy. And my code worked perfectly. I don't understand what went wrong. The past 2 startups that we've gone into went terrible. BFF Cat.meow. Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you? Listen, I know I wasn't paying you for quite a long time, and I'm very grateful that you weren't demanding for a paycheck for so long. But to be in debt, even to a friend, is not cool at all, right? Therefore, take this money you've honestly earned. Thank you, friend. You've really helped me out. Yeah, and how about we go to a concert next week? So long as the concert costs less than 1,000 cat bucks, I'll be fine. Industrial espionage. Greetings. We hope that this message will remain confidential. We are Sniffer-All, an analytics agency, and our services include parsing data from huge companies. The issue lies in their protection systems. We have a very small amount of time to download all the data before we get tracked. We need an algorithm that will download the data we need fast and secure. The payment will be sent to you after a first successful parsing completed with your program. Proceed. Okay, they want 100% accuracy. And we only have decision color trees to work with. This should do it. Never mind. We need more of the red ones to go up than down. This is cheating. This isn't gonna work either. What the heck? Because I can only do one output from this, so it's not like I can connect it twice. But now this one's only gonna get blues. There's not enough blues to fill this up. Well, no, this would get blue and green, so this isn't gonna work at all anyway. Let's see if this works. So this one says green, right? But it's gonna send some reds up the green one. There we go. Oh my god. We did it! I'm so smart. I'm so good at games. 1,200 bucks. Color business. Good day. We have developed an innovative printing machine that allows to apply complex patterns to any surface. It has 2 print heads. This speeds up the process a lot, but the distribution of colors does not work for us as the printing algorithm doesn't recognize them very well. We need to solve this problem before we release our novelty to the market. Can you help us? I'll try. Okay, what do we have here? Trash can. What do I need a trash can for? Okay, we got red and green, red and blue. And then blue. And we've got 2 outputs. So this would do red and green right there. Think about this. We gotta do some maths. This needs 50, right? There's 36 blues in here. $37 blues in here. This needs 55, so this isn't gonna be enough here. If we turn this to blue, then it only sends like half the reds up here. And then green and red will go up here again. We're gonna have to split the colors here too. And there's 40 red in here, which means too many colors will go in here. What else do we have out right now? Green? Let's switch this to green. Then we'll send some reds up here and reds down here. Which, if we have this set to green, means that half of the reds go up here, half the reds go down here. So that would be another 20, 10, 20. That's still not quite enough, I think. We have a little bit coming from down here too, though. Oh my god. Let's see what happens with this, and we'll figure out which one needs to be split here. Because this one is clearly getting some of the least. Yeah, this has got way too much coming in. Oh, we almost had it. Okay. We just need a little bit more going to the blue side. So yeah, what if we do a red versus blue right here? No, that's not gonna help. Yeah, it might. It might. It never sent anything down here. That didn't help at all. Where do we have this going? Up here? I think this one is filling up the fastest, right? The top one? Yeah. What's it getting red? It's getting red and greens only, though. We can't split those off. I guess if we sent some... If we sent more reds down to this one, we could send blues down here, too. So that would be through here. Because blue and reds are both coming through here. So we do like this. Red and blue. Send all the blues down here. Except for the ones coming through here. Which should only be reds actually coming through here. So this one's not getting enough now. Check it again. Yeah, the top one fills up like crazy. Okay, let's put one more in here. So we'll send all the greens in here, which isn't very many, and then the red will go in the middle. It's a little ugly, but... Top and bottom both fill up way too fast. And then we just don't get enough in the middle. I feel like I screwed up with this one. Oh, oh. But now the bottom one won't fill up fast enough. And this is the only other track we have blues on. Yeah, we're just a hair off on that one. Start over a second. "36 blues. Is this the exact same thing I just did a second ago? 'Cause I can't tell. It feels different. This one's still filling up like crazy. Nope, the bottom one filled up the most that time. So we need a few more blues going in here. Or reds. This one barely filled up in time, so I don't want to take any from here. I think this is where we need to take some from. But we've got the max number of stuff here. This is a real head scratcher. Because we're trying to split the colors without any smart way of doing it. 6 of 10. I thought we were allowed 6. Okay, yeah. We were just silver speed. Okay. That should be straight green and blue. So that's 20, that's 10. The green only goes up here, so we only need 5 of another color coming in here. And that's half of the reds that we need. Let's see, 37 blue. So we just put all 37 of these blues in here. So we want blue and red coming down here. That's only 30 green coming in here. So we still need 5 to go up there. How many reds did we put in here? All of them? 24? And here we've got half of them. So that's like 20 reds going in here. That's crazy high. And 36 blue. I don't want all of those going in here. Let's put some in there. So now we've got 36 and half of 37 coming down here. Who fills up the fastest? It's got to be the top one, right? Oh, we did it! With 5 instead of 6. Okay. I felt like we got lucky with that one, but it worked out. Gold. Oh, that was a head scratcher. Invisible matter. Hey there, I'm an inventor, and I am an inventor, and I've spent years trying to create a new generation stealth suit. I plan to call it the Cry Suit. Certainly cried a lot while working on it. I think I'm on the verge of a breakthrough, but the particles responsible for dynamic color adaptation can malfunction occasionally, and the camouflage is still far from being perfect. Can you help me write an algorithm that will improve it? Maybe. Maybe I can. Alright, so 5 and 3. We could get 8 up here out of 14. That's over half. It wants us to use only 2. Only 2. Red and green, red and blue. It can't be this easy. But it says I can only use 2. Oh, wait, what? What'd I do here? Oh, I swapped these. Dummy. It was that easy. Okay. Amazing. Solvency assessment. We'll get into this one, but I have to take a quick break. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back. Client solvency assessment. Good afternoon. We represent the Moneybag Bank. We want you to create a system for sorting candidates applying for loans. We believe that cold soulless mind of a machine will help us save more money than our regular empathy-corrupted human clerks. That's correct. We would very much appreciate it if you'd complete the task before the holidays. Deep news. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning is used on partially unlabeled data. Thank you for the welcome back, Alex. With unknown answers. Typically, a machine learning model predicts answers for unlabeled data and uses this prediction to improve. This method can improve quality of the model, even when the data is not completely reliable. In real life, adding 5 to 10% of unlabeled data leads to minor quality improvements, and adding more data of this type spoils the model. Okay. This one's 41, and this one's 3. We did it. Gold. 1,800 bucks. Raging birds. From the sky. Dear computer specialist, you gotta help me. I own a miniature pig farm and also have a crazy neighbor. He enjoys making bird-shaped shells out of paper mache. I throw them at my piggy sheds. He makes all kinds of shells. Tiny, red, round ones, triangular, the square ones, you name it. I'm constantly rebuilding my sheds, so they would be impenetrable by those birds, but I need to be able to know the shapes of shells that Wacko's using. Can you please write an algorithm for that? I'll try. Oh my god. Okay. Here's what we need. Because sifters are so slow. Triangles, else. Triangles, else. And then these just go in. Wait, this one needs more. Yeah, this one needs more. And we could probably go with another balancer here, because this one needs more. Let's try this. Oh wow, this one still needs a lot more. Okay, hang on, hang on. Hang on. Oh, we're at 7 of 7? Let me do this a little bit different then. How? Hang on. Let's start over. Okay, we need 10 here, 20 here, 30 here, and 40 here. So we need, like, most of the triangles to go in here. I don't think we can go straight into a sifter. I really don't. Because it'll get overloaded like crazy. That top one got overloaded and we had it on a balancer. So all these triangles will go down here. And that needs 30 of anything. Looks like the challenges are getting harder. They really are. Okay, so right now we're sending 10 and 50. No, 60. We're sending 30 items up here already. It's making me do math. See, half of all of this. 30, 80, 90. So we're sending 90 items. No, 45 items here already. Because it's half of 90. Because we're splitting it twice. So 45 items are going here. That's too many. Okay. So we've got 90 up and 90 down. We need 30 up here and 70 down here. So we only need 100 items out of the 180 that are available. Not the math of doom, I know. I know. No one could be more annoyed than I am. Well, my brother maybe. He hates math. I don't hate it. I'm just not used to using it anymore that much. So we got 90 up and 90 down. Of all kinds. All shapes. Let me think about this. We've got 60 triangles, so that's more than enough to fill this up, right? That would still leave us with 120 items when we would need 60. So that's twice as many as we need. I don't think having this at the front is a good idea. But let's see what happens. It's gonna just overload the heck out of it, I know. Because we could put all of the triangles in there and still have enough items to split between the rest of these places. It would all just be circles and squares, but that doesn't matter. Okay. So if we eliminate 60 items, we've got the 120. So that's coming in here. So 120 into this balancer means 60 up here, 60 down here. We need 30 in here. Exactly. So that's fine. So we've got 30 here. In fact, yeah, 120 items in here. We could put all of these in here. And then just do like this. This could potentially work. I feel like the sifter is going to get overloaded, but the information is coming in so slow. It actually doesn't matter. Yeah, so the speed is the issue right now. But we can't help that with the sifter being up front. Eventually this would do what we want it to do, but yeah, we ran out of time. So yeah, like I said, the sifter up front is not the answer. We can't accept that. Okay. So here we are back again, with 90 out each side. 40 and 30 is 70. 90 out each side, but we don't know how many of these are going to be triangles. So this may not satisfy the 40 that we need down here. Let's do the 2 balancers again. And eventually we're going to need 2 sifters that are going to be triangles. Okay. So we need 20 up here. Alright, so 45 and 45. If 45 comes in here, it's possible. Because I don't know how it's going to split them up. I don't know if it does exactly half and half. I feel like it doesn't, though. I feel like it's randomly generated based on the order that they come out, which is random. And so this just splits them up and down. That's it. 2, 3, 5 of 7. And we need 40 triangles down here, no matter what. And there's 60 to sift. So if we did all of the triangles down here again, like I said before. This is going to be our 7 things. Then we know we have all of the triangles where they need to be. This only needs 10, so this could potentially work. Let's see. Yeah, we're overloaded here, but we've got 30 seconds. The 10 and the 30 filled up pretty quick. We did it! We did it! Run away from the math of doom. It was more general than I was trying to make it, which is nice. I still don't know what I did wrong with the Game Is On. I really thought we had that one in the bag. It said that we would eventually learn how to counteract the dissatisfied customer. But we haven't learned that yet. We got aloe, we got cactus, the fade haircut, some sunk, data scientists of the world unite, messy hairstyle, that looks like a shirt, lawn on a shelf, Hawaiian room decor, cat's joy, kindergarten decor, that's weird, dummy, scientific assistant. I think we need some catnip, for sure. Beauty and harmony, achievement. And the messy hairstyle is fine. We'll take that. Hardware, we definitely want to buy all of it that we can. Increase data transfer speed by 5%? Yes. Decrease server costs by 8? Got it. Right before the next startup shows up. Okay. We just spent a bunch of money, but yeah, we got our messy hair now. And where's the catnip at? Here it is, down here in the corner. Awesome. Our scientific conference provides several lecture halls for visitors to meet famous scientists. Okay. Oh, these are green only. Okay. We almost always got to start out with the balancer. Okay, this one's 15, so that's half of the green we need down there. Let's see, how much time? We've got 30 seconds. I was thinking about having green just separated out. And then we just put half the green in here. You know what I mean? And then this is also going to have blue in it, so we should separate the blue from the green. This isn't going to be fast enough. I'll tell you that right now. trying to see what the heck I missed. How many... Okay. I don't think I missed anything, to be honest. We ran out of time. I feel like the balancer maybe... Yeah, we still succeeded. But I feel like maybe the balancer could be moved back or something. Somewhere. We're using the maximum amount of things, though. Nodes. Yeah, we can't just ship all of the green down here, because then we don't have enough for these two. Because there's only 20 total, and we need 30 for this. So we have to have half of the greens going into here. That's why I did it this way, to separate the green, like split the green in half. I can't think of any better way to do this. I know it's not fast, but I mean, this is... It's accurate. 100% accurate. But this just gets overloaded so fast. It stops wanting to do data. You can do it. I believe. We did. Bronze is what we're going to have to accept for now. Blood Center. 3,000 investment. This one better make money. I'm going to be upset. Good day. Our lab is researching cancer cells. We're close to something that might be a breakthrough in the field of knowledge. We are a startup and we need a qualified specialist in our team who will be able to write an algorithm which will divide cancer cells by type. There are 2 types we're working with at the moment. Are you ready to make an impact in the medicine of tomorrow? Maybe. 3,000 bucks. Okay. They only want red and blue. And they only want circles and triangles. This shouldn't be super complicated, but we want it to be fast. I feel like speed is the reason why Game Is On went down, but we did our best. We did our best with what we had. Okay, we're gonna need a trash can in the middle. Up. Alright. So we need the sifters as well. Circles is fine. And triangles. Circles should be able to go straight in. Triangles go in. Else will end up being squares. Goes in the trash. Else for this one hooks up to triangles. All the greens go in the trash. See, blues. Red and blues. Okay. There. That way we can make this very compact. Okay, let's see what happens. All the squares ought to be thrown back in the trash. Okay, these are overloading again. How did I fix that before? Oh, more balancers, wasn't it? Okay. Yeah, so these can be moved forward a bit. We're going to throw balancers between them. Sorry, no, we're going to add sifters. It's there. Else. What is it? Where does else go? Oh, no. Sorry. Circles go in. Else goes through the triangles. Circles go in. Else goes through the triangles. And then we need to just separate this out. Blue comes down. See, green is going to the trash, so red. Red is going, yeah. Red gets split. Okay. Blue, come down here. Okay, getting that in there. And then blue, go here. Should be good. Or at least we've relieved the load on the circles. Circle separator should be spitting into here. The triangles are going to be working a little bit harder. Oh, the circles are still getting overloaded. Okay. It's going to be a balancer. That's from red. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Try it again. So I feel like the reds are the ones that are really overloading. We may not have to do this with all of them. Just red. Nope. Okay. We'll test this right. It should help significantly, though. Okay, I can already see there's the other reds need the same thing. Okay, so we need another sifter in here. Circles go straight in. Else goes up here. We'll bring in a balancer. Right here. Red, you connect in there. Balancer's in here. That should be it. So down here, where does the red connect to? This one? Let's move these down a little. Fit the sifter right in here. Bring in a balancer directly between. Okay. Does it make sense what's going on right here? Yeah, this is very well balanced now. We've got the... These early ones are getting overloaded now, though. We're at 32 of 50. Okay. If we move the trash can over here, I'm pretty sure that we can... Nope. Copy. Paste these. Where'd the other ones go? Oh, I see now. They're on top. Okay, so we need 2 more balancers then. Or sorry, 2 for each row. Like this. Stacks upon stacks, man. Gotta share the load. The load. Make sure these are connected. It makes a little sense, a little bit. Good, good. It's getting more complicated for sure than it was at the beginning. Well, I'm not sure about more complicated, but just more involved, you know? Because these are all the same functions that we used at the beginning. We just have to use more of them and chain them in very specific ways. Which makes it feel... Oh, I don't want... Oh. Never mind. We're not going to move that because it's too close to the top. It's gonna pop down if we move that. I can maybe move these back a little to balance it. Okay. So this should work. So we've got more of these working. But this may just cancel out our splitting up of these, you know? The blue and greens decision tree colors seem to be fine. The reds aren't overloading anymore. The blue and greens are not overloading. The sifters are not overloading. What is this that's backing up? Oh, wait. This one doesn't have an output. This is else. It goes into... How many does this have in it? 3? That has 2. Okay, this one goes in here. I'm not sure how I missed that. But I'm glad I saw it this time. All the greens and all the squares are going to the trash, as they should. We get all the red and blue circles and triangles coming in here. We're at 100%. These sifters are starting to get a pretty heavy load coming in, but I mean, I feel like we've got them balanced out as much as we can. We're at 40 of 50. Let's save this, and we will release it. We were at 100% accuracy, weren't we? I'm sure we were. Let's test it one more time before we release it. And if this startup doesn't pan out, I just don't know. I feel like the mechanic is broken at that point. Because we were at gold hype with Gamazon. And we're just losing customers and losing money. Which is the opposite of how the mechanic is supposed to work. Yeah, we are at 100% efficiency. I wonder if having, balancers here would be... Oh my god. Why? Why would you drop them down there? This bothers me. Let's move that back, this back. god. It's so complicated. Let's move these back. Oh my god. That's fine. Yeah, so I need balancers to come in here for the sifters. Is that what I need? Let's see, those are the bottom 3. These are the top 3. These don't have connections. Okay. Yeah. So balancers are what I need. If I've got 3 coming in, I need a balancer. Okay. So it's the else. We're gonna match this and this. I don't know. This might pull the data out of the sifters faster, having the balancer in between here. We're gonna have to do it down here also. Make sure I can see everything. Okay, half there, half there. So we're gonna be at 48. Jeez, out of 50. It's very close to our limit, but I'm trying to make this as efficient as possible so that it does this stuff quickly. Okay, we should be all hooked up now. So we just doubled the triangle sifting because it was overloading. That might relieve pressure faster off of these sifters as well. We'll see. Because the balancer should be doing a big suck on the sifters. It's not, though. It is outputting faster, though. Which is great. Yeah, the circle sifters are the most likely to be overloaded just because they're so much closer to the start. They're sifting through all 3 shapes, right? The triangles only have to sift through 2 shapes. So ideally we would have double the circle sifters as we do the triangles. But this is going to have to be enough. Alright, let's try it. 3,000 bucks. We've got green hype. We're losing money. Yeah, we're losing more money. How do we fix the red? I don't know. We're gonna have to just do something else. I just don't know what the problem is. Mini piggy. It's a lot of money we're losing? Yeah. Actually, the startup is losing the money. I just may lose all of my shares, all of my investment, which was $3,000. That's quite a lot. Predict presidential election. We've done this before. Good morning. I need to know who to vote for. Can you predict the winner of the next presidential election? He wants to vote for the winner? That's disgusting. Okay, we've got 26 seconds to put 300 items in here. And they want it to be all blue. How many items can we have? 4? The 1 balancer is as many as we can do. Wait a second. What the heck? We can only have 4? And we need to have all of the blue go in here. 80%. Okay. So we could put some reds in there. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. No, let's do, God dang it. Green. We'll do blue on top. So all of the blue is going in there. The green will go in the trash. And we'll just copy, paste. So it processes twice as fast. So some reds will go in here, but that's fine. All of the blue will go in here. We're limited only by the speed at which these can process items. Which is kind of cheap. It's cheap. How the heck am I supposed to get all of the info in there? What happens if we do this? Just dump info in there as fast as possible. Success at silver. Let's see. Okay, if we've got 150, 236, that'd be 118 coming out of this side. No. 386. So 193. 193 coming out this side. Half of that is almost 100. Okay. What if we do this? Ah! This might do it. Come on. 4, 1. It didn't quite do it. We need just, we need fewer items going into the trash can. But we're only at 3 of 40? Okay. So let's say, half of this is correct. But then we need the, any greens going in there. Because there's more of those than anything else. We did it! Gold! Alright. Exactly 80% accuracy. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. 1,900 bucks. Okay. Observation of Mars, and we got another startup of rare items. I'm hesitant. The startups are doing garbage lately. I don't know if it's my code. It's gotta be, right? But it's all working. If the code is working, it's gotta just be that the customers aren't happy with it, you know? And I don't know why they would be unhappy with curing cancer, but whatever. Observations of Mars. Hello. I own a space observation station. This year I've made quite a lot of photos. Now I need to process them in order to find Mars on them, which I for my latest research? Okay. Can you help me with this task? Sure. He just wants the one red circle in there. That's all. We have room for 11 items. And we have to make sure the one red circle goes in there. We have 25 seconds. Make this look really organized. Probably won't be fast enough. Yeah, these get overloaded immediately. Oh, that one didn't even have an output. I forgot to hook this up. Did I hook these up? I did. Okay. But we're gonna need another one of these. I don't have to change these, but it feels better if I do. Split the load a little. God, they're still overloading. Really quickly. We still got silver, but I think we could do it a little bit faster. If we put one more, Oh no, we're using 12 of 11? How would we eliminate one thing out of this? So we gotta have the trash. And we can't split this without having a balancer. I mean, we could just try to get rid of these, but that's not gonna be fast enough. This will overload right away. Wherever the red circle went, we'll be lucky. Here it is. Get in there. Ah, gold. We just happened to get it on the fast side. That's crazy. RNG. RNG, baby. Yeah, see? And it's lost users. We're still at green hype. What the heck? Okay, we're going up on users now. But there's more dissatisfied users than there are satisfied. What is wrong with this? I don't understand. Is it based on these overloading after a certain amount of time? Is that what the problem is? Because I have just about the maximum that I can have on these. Like, I don't know how I could get this to go any better. So yeah, the circle sifters eventually start overloading, but it takes a long time. That has to be what the problem is the fact that they do overload eventually. I just don't know. Yeah, it's going bankrupt, so we might as well just cash out with the money that we have before they go bankrupt. Ugh, we've got more hardware available. Good. Increase node work speed, data transfer speed, and server cost. Decrease. Data transfer speed by 6. Nice, nice. Nodes work speed. Server cost. Awesome. That's really good. That was a lot of money, though. That was most of our cash. Let's drop back and see if some of the old code works with our new hardware. Where are some of our earliest? Here's a silver medics here. Yeah, we got a gold now. So we gold starred that one. Sifters aren't quite overloaded, so that's fine. We move down to silver again, though. Oh, because we're running at 7 of 6. Let's see, what did I do here? Oh, so we're only putting green triangles in here? I don't need 2 trash cans. That's the problem. I thought I did, but I don't. So this and this can go up there. Let's try that again. Because I think we had it in time. Nope, it's still silver. We're not fast enough. Oh, yeah, because the trash cans only count as 1 node. Never mind. I'm dumb. We could take that away now, though, and attach this to that. But I think this is going to overload if we do that. 17, 16, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yep, we still got only silver because that was. Oh no, we got bronze off of that because this is too slow. We don't have a splitter here to deal with that. We need more speed. That's right. I feel like this is correct. But then, yeah, we're only putting green triangles in here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Does it still give us silver on that one or no? Yeah. Let's try this one. Chicken escape. They should be working faster now. We should get gold on this one, I think. Unless it doesn't send down here. Okay, we did, yeah. So that was just a hardware issue. Metal Gear construction. It's already been trained up, so let's do the test. Yep, silver. That's better than bronze. Oh, it did go down to bronze. What the heck? Okay. We don't have any splitters, so we can't just do better, you know? I wonder if we... I wonder if we do colors first, if that would make a difference. Yeah. And so, blue is going to send out blue and green. And then we put the triangles in there. We'll put the others in the trash can. And then with red is going to send out red and green. We'll need one more decision tree. Green. Trash can. Red. Triangles, trash can. And then these two. Let's try this. We have to train this one first. Well, we have to train both of them because they're brand new. This one's going to take a while. Yeah, it resets to train them. Okay. Test. This one's getting a bit overloaded, but... Oh, god dang. Let's do another one. No, because we can only have one output, This will be 6, 7 right here. So we're gonna split the blues and the greens. Even though we want them both to put the triangles in here and these in the trash, doubling the processing speed is what we're doing now. Because this one was getting overloaded with the blues and greens. Three, two, one. Okay. Come on. God dang it. I don't see any way to make this faster. And we get either gold or bronze, so there's no way... Yeah, there's nothing else we could do about that. Sales prediction. Silver. That's what we had already, isn't it? It wants us to only use one and have 100% accuracy? How the heck? There's no way. Because even if I put green down here, it's gonna... If I did red and green, it would send blues down here too. If I did blue and green, it would send reds down here. Do we do blue and green and hope that we don't get any reds until the end? Just pray for some RNG? There's no way. Yeah, we got reds in here. How the heck are we supposed to do it with one node? That's crazy. Yeah, see, the accuracy is too low, because it keeps sending reds down there. And we don't have a balancer, otherwise I would just send it up. Huh. we have the same chance if we do red. The exact same chance of blues coming down here. So we lose accuracy. This is crazy. Do it with one node. You're mad. You're absolutely mad. Impossible. Loving the stream? Thank you so much, Alex. I appreciate it. Oh, what the heck? How fast? 23 seconds we're supposed to do it in? Yeah, and that was balancing numbers again, too? Okay. So some of these are going to work with the better hardware. Others, I'm going to have to just completely rework them. I don't feel like doing that right now, but... Whoa, how... Oh, are we already over? Yeah, it wants us to use 3 for this. But that's not fast enough. If I just took this away. See what happens. Yeah, this gets totally overloaded and there's not enough data to go in here. Oh no, because that's 3. Never mind. No, because that's going to send green. We need one of these to be green. I don't think that sends enough data. Yeah. I think I tried that before. Hey, we did it. Okay. Gold. That was the answer. I thought it was a possibility, but I wasn't sure. Let's hit it. Gold. The hardware upgrades solved it again. Just flat out. I knew that would be the case for some of these. Sifter is filling up. It's overloaded. That's slowing us down a lot. We're at 4 of 6 though. So I wonder if we brought in another sifter to split things up. Put this one through there. We've got circles up there and everything else there. Let's see how this goes. Just splitting one of them off. Yeah, it's way more efficient. We're still down to silver, but that's better than the bronze that we had earlier. So that did help. I maybe could... Let's see, what could I do to share this out a little bit? Because we're oh no, we're over the nodes limit? Oh, 5 of 4. That's why I didn't have this one in here. Yeah, and with this hooked up to this, it was just bronze, because it was too slow. Because this gets overloaded too easily. Okay, let's just take the balancer away. And let's try this. Because we could just throw all the green shapes in here, it doesn't matter. These just don't get enough as soon as they need to, huh? So we're still going to be at least bronze, if not, yeah. But now we could add another sifter. And split the load a little bit, because we took the balancer away. So now the blue shapes are getting sifted elsewhere. This isn't backing up at all. Ah, silver. Okay. Okay, that'll be good enough for now. Let's see. Alright, we're up to rare items. As a startup, we dipped out of the blood center because we lost $1,000 on it. 56%. I'm gonna have to make this its own series. I'm gonna have to put this in a different playlist by itself. You're gonna ask the cat code a question? Oh my god, Alex. Oh my god. On that note, I'm taking a quick break. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start my streams earlier because I have to take care of the animals here in a bit, and it's already getting dark. It's crazy how fast it gets dark now. It's like 6 p.m. it gets dark because of stupid daylight savings time. I hate it. $2,500 investment. Rare items. Good day. I'm the CEO of a small yet successful Hala Express startup. We're delivering exclusive goods from different countries. We have 2 websites. We're receiving so many orders we can't keep up with the pace. I want to ask you to make a smart order processing system and offer you a share in our startup in exchange. Look forward to hearing back from you. $2,500. It's 10:31 a.m. for you on the Wednesday? Oh my god. Yeah, it's still Tuesday for me. Okay, first of all, what do we have to throw away? Green triangles, red squares. Oh no, red squares can go here. So green triangles are the only things we have to trash. So we will need a trash can. Oh, this is going to be another big one, I know. You're in the future, Alex. You time traveled. I don't know why you're watching this old caveman play, programming games. Okay, it's gonna be complicated. I feel like we're almost definitely gonna need, 2 sets of balancers. Let's just go ahead and bring them in. But we're gonna do the programming one at a time, and then just copy and paste what we get. We'll squeeze them right in. No, not all 3. Just these 2. Okay. Alright. So we've got... Let's see. It can never be simple, can it? It's always got to be crazy. And none of them are single colors either. This one has all 3 colors. This is red and green, this is blue and red. So if we did blue and red, just a sifter. I wish we had the one that had all 3 shapes that we could send to different places. Alright, so from here we could do, if we did squares, we could send blue squares down here, and all the other blue ones right here. So it would be blue. I have a feeling that we're going to have to balance this and do 2 sifters, but we'll see. We'll bring it out here, just in case. Okay. So red has a complicated tree that has to go through. In fact, we'll bring this all the way over here, because green and red are the 2 complicated ones that I'm going to have to work on. Blue is simple. We've got blue solved on this one, on this top one. Okay, so red, we need squares here, circles here, triangles here. So, again, sifters. Circles. Triangles. Red circles go here. Else will be hooked into the triangles. Triangles will go here. We're gonna need probably 2 of these circle ones to balance out the load. So we'll have to put this in. Get another balancer. Just predicting. Circles, red circles went here. And then we had else here. Alright. Did we do the squares already? No. So red squares are gonna go in here. Alright. So that's the red sorted. Let's put this in front of this one. And we'll nestle the balancer down here, where I can still access the button. Very fun. You play the code game Scratch a lot. I haven't heard of that. It's very fun. Helps you learn about coding. Like if you're new to coding, it's very helpful. I'll have to check that out for sure, because I really definitely want to learn actual coding. All right, we're gonna have to double up on the green as well. So green circles are gonna go down here. Do you think we're gonna need you know, there's not that many circles and squares for green. There's more circles for red. So I think doubling that one up makes sense. But for green, let's just try to do simple ones. And so squares, green squares will go in here. Green triangles go in the trash. Okay. So now we can just quadruple this, right? Because it would be the same down here to do exactly this. Let me see. Let's just throw this away for now. These. And let's see if we can just do it with one balancer. So yeah, we've got this. Let's copy and paste it. It doesn't fit together super nicely, but kind of. So this will go here. This will go here. And then we'll go ahead and highlight all of this. Copy. Paste it. The bottom has more data in it, so some of this stuff will overload faster from the bottom. Yeah, these first decision trees are always piling up really fast. Okay, so already I can tell we're gonna need to double up on those. I hate it when it drags back like that. I want it to stick on the mouse pointer, but it doesn't. Yeah, up is better. Okay, that time it did. I just have to drag it slower, I guess. Okay, just trying to relieve the load of that first color tree. They may still overload really quickly, but I don't know. They're not doing too bad. They're getting full. Is there anything else that's overloading? It doesn't look like it. We're at 47 and 50 though, so I can't really balance it out much more than that. Yeah, the circle sifters are getting overloaded too. How the heck do I stop this? Hello? Let me get my selector box. How come I can't click? Oh, because it's running. It doesn't feel like there's any possible way for me to make this go faster. Like, process faster. Maybe if we call Sonic, that'd be a good one. I'd appreciate his help on this, for sure. We've got the one. Oh no, we don't have 100% accuracy. I've screwed up all of them, actually. All of them are below 100%. What the heck did I do? Oh, because I'm not sifting out the blue out of this red one. Only the bottom one. And there's nowhere where blue and red items are the same where they need to go. So actually, this whole thing is garbage. I can't use any of it. Ugh, that's painful. That's really painful when it works like that. You know, what if we don't start with balancers? Is that going to slow down, like, the overall export of the data? And keep it from overloading? Because this will only take in as much as it can output, right? Maybe. And we use the splitters for other processes. Maybe that's been my issue so far. Okay, so these are going to run red and blue, green and blue. So now we need to separate out red and blue. And we need to separate green from blue. Same down here. Red from green. And red from blue. Okay. So the blue is pretty easy. Right, we just go here, we say squares, go here. Everything else goes up here. And it's the same with this. I even wonder if we could put both of these into the same one. It might overload it. In fact, I expect it to. Squares, everything else. Green is a little bit more complicated. We'll do squares first. And then the else has to be separated out so that the triangles die. So circles go down here. And triangles go in the trash. Okay. I maybe should have kept this like this down here. In fact, I definitely will do that. Yeah. And let's make the green on the inside here too. So we're kind of mirroring the top one. Which I could have just copied and pasted it, but it's fine. Okay. And then, yeah, we'll just do the copy paste. Ah! So green there. And then this one, yeah. That's fine. Then red is the most complicated because we have to send each shape to a different place. Oh, you know what I just noticed? The expert systems are faster than the sifters. Okay, hang on. Think about this. Because if we did blue... and sift that through a... Wait a second. No, we would have to have two outputs for that. It would have to be red-green. Okay, hang on. This is kind of working so far. We've got blue and green sorted, I think. So red would be the last ones. So we do circles, and then say, yeah, squares. It's ugly, but technically this should get us 100% accuracy. Oh wait, I forgot to output the red here. I'm seeing the red circles being overloaded up here, so we may need to use a balancer to divide these. The squares, the green squares are being overloaded down here. And the red circles down here. Okay, so let's double up on those. I shouldn't have lifted it up, I should have just copy-pasted. Okay, and we'll set a balancer on top of this. We'll bring the red into the balancer, and then split it between these two. And we'll do the same down here. Yeah, I think I was overloading things by putting the balancer at the front. Maybe that was my problem on the other startups. I was trying to make it go fast from the very start, when I should have just been using an item that isn't quite as fast. Because accuracy is more important than speed. Maybe. I'm worried about these squares overloading. And these here. Yeah, they definitely will. Both of them. Okay. And then it was the blue one. What we could do there instead is just move this down. We will, hang on, copy, paste. Oh, it didn't copy the, what? Why did it do a circle? Did it select this one up here? I don't know. If it did, then it's wrong. So we just delete that one. Yeah, it did select the top one for some reason. Okay. Because all the connections would have been misaligned. Let's move that one down a little. And then instead of a balancer, we just split them off like this. Because that was just doubled up in the same hole. Now we should be going at a good speed, 100% accuracy, and no backups. Focusing very hard indeed, yeah. This guy's trying to back up. So let's fix that. He's got 2 attached to him. So we'll just clear this one and copy paste this guy. Okay. Now we should have absolutely no issues with backing up. 100% zero issues. And 100% accuracy. Those earlier designs eventually backing up, I think, is what the problem was with the startups and why we were getting so many dissatisfied customers. This one's getting doubled up on, but it seems to be handling the load easily. Okay, I think that's a wrap. We'll launch this code. I'm sorry about the jet sound. Apologies. Okay, well, over time, we lost a bunch of money on it, but we've eliminated the dissatisfied customers. We're not gaining any more customers, though, sadly. Yeah, so we're still... Yeah, it's still losing money. That's so weird. I don't understand why it's doing like that. It seems like it's broken. Because that time, there were absolutely zero... backups. I thought for sure that was going to solve the problem, but it clearly did not. You've reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. Gold. Always gold. Maybe we should axe the cat for some more customers? It's true. Or axe the cat why my coding sucks. Neural computer vision. Hold still there. Science is at work. There he goes. You're definitely smiling there. 91%. Nailing it. To-do list. The cat has been detected. Base cat emotion recognition. Continue. Step by step. WX plus B. 59%. See what time it is. I may have to... Yeah, I've got to end it here. This is a decent spot, though, because we just started a new section. Those failed startups really bother me. I don't understand what the problem was, or why it failed. Especially the last one. Those other ones, they overloaded eventually, which made me think that was the problem. This one, it was perfectly balanced, but it still failed. I don't know if it's because it was slow. Maybe we could have doubled up on the stuff. I can't go back to it. It's possible we could have doubled up on it to make it faster. But I feel like we had it really well balanced. So I don't know what the problem with that was. We've been doing nothing but losing money on startups, so I'm tempted just to not do any more startups because it feels like it's broken. We'll have to think about it. But yeah, it looks like we're getting into new stuff. Load balancing, I think, is going to be what's coming up, and of course, genetic algorithm. These look a little bit darker, but it may just be because they're not open yet. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Alex, thank you for being here. Dunson as well. Slater, Taoist Dragon. I appreciate y'all showing up. Wow, my phone really doesn't want to scroll up on the chat. I'm sure that's everyone. Yeah. Taoist, Norm, Dunson, and Alex. Thank y'all for being here. It says we had 4 people watching, and that's you guys. 5 likes on the video only. Not a lot of people like this game, but or it's not a popular enough game to be promoted, so that's okay. I'm gonna come back tonight after I take care of the animals and get some food. I'm thinking about playing some Rumbleverse. You guys haven't seen that one yet on my channel. Maybe on Kecker's Boys channel or something, but we may check that out, see what it's like. I've seen him play it a lot, and I know he really likes it, so we'll see what's up with it. That's gonna do it for this one. If you want to catch another one, be sure to subscribe. Consider supporting my channel by becoming a member or through the Patreon link down in the video description, and feel free to check out any of my other videos or playlists that you might be interested in. I thank you so much for all the time that you spend on my channel, and I hope blessings of wisdom and peace on everyone. Farewell.